Mga boss, mabilisan lang itong balita na to, no? Ayon sa reliable source, online news sources, hindi nyo talaga makikita si BBM sa Pilipinas at si Lisa Marcos, si Romualdez at saka si Jesus Escudero dahil naka-on hold sila ngayon sa Amerika dahil may kinasangkutan silang kaso, no? Na may namatay na isang tagapagmana ng Rustans na si Paulo Tantoco, no? At ito, babasahin po natin, ano? Online news sources, the arrest of Tatay Digong is a tactic to cover up the story behind the death of Rustans here, Paulo Tantoco, where Marcos Jr., Lisa Marcos, Senate President Escudero, and House Speaker Romualdez were presented during the death at the U.S. hotel they all resided. Report from the U.S. said that the cause of the death is illegal drug overdose. Ayun, dahil sa sobrang kasiyahan nila, at itong si Paulo Tantoco, hindi po ito nagda-drugs, mga boss. Ngunit, in-injectionan po nila ito ng droga. At ayun, dahil hindi sanay mag-droga, na-overdose yung tao. So, hindi nyo po makikita talaga ang presidente na magsalita dyan sa Pilipinas dahil naka-on hold sila dito sa sangkot sila sa pagkamatay nitong isang Paulo Tantoco na tagapagmana ng Rustans, mga boss. So, kaya naman pala, talaga, itong pag-aresto kay Tatay Digong is madali yan din para mapagtakpan, no? Itong kababuyan na ginawa nila sa Amerika, mga boss. At i-search nyo po yan, yung pangalan ni Paulo Tantoco, no? I-search nyo po yan para malaman ninyo ang buong detalye niyan. At sana, huwag na kayo makabalik ng Pilipinas.
According to my U.S.-based bubwit, the drug-related death of a scion of a filthy rich clan was not by accidental drug overdose, but by murder, committed by his friends who forcibly injected him with crack cocaine when he refused to jam with them in their snorting session. When all of them were already stoned, they failed to notice that the friend they injected crack cocaine with was already dead. This accounted for the hour delay in the reporting of the incident to U.S. authorities.